Do you want to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram? You can easily add up to 20 photos to a single post by following just a few simple steps. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add more than 10 pictures to a single Instagram post, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap the plus icon at the top right of your Instagram profile. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Post. Now, a new screen will appear where you can choose multiple photos and videos. To select more than 10 pictures, first tap on the Multiple Select icon. Now, choose multiple photos or videos one by one from your device gallery. You can choose up to 20 images or videos. Once selected, tap Next in the top right corner of the screen. A new screen will appear with various editing options. Here, you can edit your pictures and add filters and music. When you're done editing, tap the Next button. Now, a post preview screen will appear where you can add a caption, tag people, or add a location, etc. Lastly, tap on the Share button to publish your post with more than 10 pictures. By following these simple steps, you can share up to 20 pictures with your followers on Instagram.